Hello everyone, thanks for joining us today for another exciting unboxing video. Today we are going to open up our Anycubic Mega Pro 4th generation 3D printer. Unlike all of our other unboxing videos of 3D printers, this is not a resin printer. This one is actually an FDM printer, so should be pretty exciting, and it has an exciting twist as well that we'll talk about a little later. So without any further ado, we're gonna go ahead and open our box, which is a little too big for the table and is right here. A little heavy too, 29.6 pounds on this box. Definitely not used to that, because our other printers are usually a bit lighter, or they seem that way. Try not to cut too deep into this box because we don't know where everything is inside. Alright. It looks like our box was upside down. That's always interesting. What that means is we might be able to transfer it over to the table and flip it. From what I understand, these FDM printers require more assembly than our resin printers. Ooh, we're taking out our studio lighting. Alright, there we go. I think we have reached our maximum capacity for how big of a box we can open in this location. Well, this is definitely going to require some assembly. I can tell you that now. Wow, this frame is definitely got some weight to it. So glad that their packing here is in several layers. It would be very difficult to get into otherwise. Alright, this is... that scary moment where we can't make heads or tails of any of the components. There we go. Guess I didn't need to undo that flap after all. That's alright. where we touch here so we don't break anything. But basically, here are our parts. Looks like this is our build plate. Not 100% sure. I'm guessing this is gonna go this way on there somewhere. Yeah. Wood pieces to practice with here. You might be asking yourself why we need wood and paper for a plastic filament printer. So that is the surprise. The Mega Pro does not only print 3D prints, it has a laser for laser engraving. So it is a dual purpose printer. It looks like this entire little bag here is just about assembling the laser. Here's the main assembly instructions. Alright. Well, there's what it's supposed to look like. It doesn't look like it's going to take too much work to put together, but definitely more work than the resin printers out of the box. But hey, that's alright. Look at that. Safety goggles. Cords, cables. Scraper for removing items from the build plate. We have some clippers, side cutters in there, along with some screws and tools for putting the screws together. This is some PLA. So this is what this prints with. Is a plastic filament. PLA is a corn byproduct derived plastic, actually, which is kind of cool. We have a power cable. I'm not 100% sure what that is. I guess we'll find out in the instructions. Oh, well, this is the laser. Like an SD card. Yeah. We will put this together on another video. We'll try to separate out the unboxings with the assembly videos. There you have it, our unboxing for Anycubic's Mega Pro FDM 3D printer. Thanks again. See you next time.